This channel gets millions of views and thousands of dollars as well. This is the simplest kind of content which is made by AI that you can ever find on YouTube. It usually gets only 6 minutes to make one video that will blow up. Today, I will show you all the instruments and secrets that people use to make money in this niche. So listen carefully and do not skip any part of this video, because all details are very important. Now we are ready to dive into this video. To begin, we need to analyze videos that our competitor makes. As we can see, the last videos have millions and hundreds of thousands of views. This tells us that this niche is quite popular, and we can confidently make this content knowing that with a very high probability, we will get a ton of views. Now we are ready to start making these videos. First step is to go to the Midjourney or Leonardo AI to generate images for our content. I'll use Midjourney, but you can use Leonardo AI or any other analogs of these services. Our goal now is to create unique images of 8 Marvel superheroes in some unusual situations. For instance, I'll search for Fat Iron Man from Marvel, realistic full-body HDR2, 3. Now Midjourney is generating a picture that we will use. After a short wait, we've got 4 different images, but I like this one, so I'll just download it. You'll need to do the same process 7 times more, because we will need 8 images for one video. Now when this work is done, our images are ready, so we can move on. Next step is to go to canva.com. Here we will make our final versions of the previous images. Click on Create a Design, then choose Presentation Mobile first. Here we need to select Uploads and upload our images that we've made in the Midjourney. Now, our mission is to make this kind of image, with a small version of a superhero at the bottom of it. To achieve it, we'll need to find pictures of each character in PNG format. For this, I'll use Google and Remove.bg. Firstly, use Google to find good images. For example, Hulk full body. This one I like the most, so I'll download it. Next, I'll go to Remove.bg. Here we need to click Upload Image, and here it is. Our picture now is in PNG format. This process you'll need to repeat 7 times or just download pictures in PNG format from the beginning without Remove.bg. After a while, this process will be easily done. You will just need to download all these pictures. Now let's go back to Canva and upload them here by clicking on the Upload button. Currently, we need to work with each character and connect them as in the previous example. This is how it looks like. Don't forget to save each picture by clicking on Share and Download. This process is done by now. We can move forward. Now the next step is the editing process. For this, I'll use CapCut, an almost free video editor. Let's click on Import and add all essential images that we've created. Select them all and put them on the video track. I guess we missed something. Exactly. We don't know which length our video would be and where we should take the music. So let's back on YouTube and download the video from our competitor's channel. To achieve this, I'll write "S" in the video link before the YouTube word. Now we are on the right site, which is called savefrom.net. Here we can download any YouTube video that we want by clicking on the download button. After a while, the video has been successfully downloaded. Now we can go back to CapCut and make our video. Alright, we are in CapCut again. So let's add the video that we have recently downloaded. Now we can see that the length of our video should be 16 seconds as in this video. But our each clip lasts 5 seconds. It means we should reduce their duration. After doing some maths, we understand that each clip should be 2 seconds long. So let's edit this. Okay, the next step is to add some music and add good transitions to each clip. We can take the music from the video that we downloaded, or you can use any music that you want. So we need to add this clip here. Then right-click and select Extract Audio. This clip we can just delete and then move this audio under our video. Now only transitions left. Let's click on Transitions, then Camera, and take a left one. Just move it between all clips and make 0.6 seconds duration. Now our video looks similar to one that we've downloaded. Our job here is done, so we need to download this video by clicking Export and then Export again. Finally, we need only to create a new channel and upload our video there. I've just created a new Google account, so I'll need to create a YouTube channel on it. Just by clicking on Create a Channel, the channel creation has been done. About branding. I'm sure that you will be able to create it on your own, because I showed how to do it in the previous video. And so, our only task now is to upload the video that we have made. To achieve this, there are several steps for it. First is to open a YouTube studio, then click Create, Upload Videos, select Files, and Upload. Now we need to make a title. You will need to write your own title based on the topic of your video. My idea is fat Marvel characters, so I'll write it. Other settings you can just copy from my example and it will be enough at all. After a while, our video is ready to be published, so I recommend you to select Schedule and choose a date convenient for you, and then click Schedule. Congratulations, our job here is done. We have successfully uploaded the video. Using this example, you can easily upload 8 such videos at once. In conclusion, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching and good luck.